Onion rings. Ingredients: 3 white onions, medium or large. 2-3 medium cups of milk. 2-3 medium cups of all-purpose flour. 3 cups of plain breadcrumbs. Veg oil for deep frying. Salt. Directions: initial step is to slice up the onions into 1 cm wide slices. Remove central part of the rings. 3 bowls are now required for the next part of the recipe. Using the first large bowl, place the breadcrumbs inside. Ideally use a shallow bowl. In a separate bowl add the flour. In a third bowl, pour in the milk. Start breading the onion rings by allowing them to soak in the milk. Next, cover them in the flour, then again in the milk and finally the breadcrumbs. Again, place the rings into the milk and the breadcrumbs. You should find the end result is a thick onion ring with a beautiful and thick layer of breadcrumbs. Continue this process until all rings are complete. Heat oil to 350 degrees. Fry a handful of the rings at a time for 2-3 minutes or until they turn a golden brown color. Apply a sprinkling of salt to add flavor.